Struggling to choose between Typeform and Interact for your interactive content? Let's dive into a head-to-head comparison to find the perfect platform for your lead generation needs. First up, Typeform. Known for its visually appealing and conversational form design, Typeform allows you to create surveys, quizzes, and contact forms that feel more like a natural conversation. Notice its clean interface and focus on single question display, which contributes to higher completion rates. Now, let's explore Interact. If quizzes are your primary focus, Interact offers a wide range of pre-built templates and powerful branching logic. See how you can easily create personality quizzes, scored quizzes, and assessments designed to capture leads and segment your audience. When it comes to customization, both platforms offer flexibility. Typeform allows you to customize the look and feel of your forms extensively, matching your brand identity with custom color schemes, fonts, and background images. Think seamless brand integration. Interact shines with its robust integration capabilities. Easily connect your quizzes to your favorite marketing automation platforms like MailChimp, HubSpot, and Zapier to automatically capture leads and trigger personalized email sequences. Note the variety of platforms supported. So, which platform is right for you? Typeform excels in creating visually stunning forms and surveys for a wide range of applications, while Interact is a powerhouse for building engaging quizzes and assessments with powerful lead generation features. Consider your specific needs and priorities when making your choice. Found this comparison helpful? Like this video and subscribe for more content on interactive content creation. Let us know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. Happy creating!